Welcome to Cooking with Gringo, where it's Budget Meal Friday. We make delicious meals that don't break the bank. Today we're going to make burrito casserole. We're gonna start with dicing one medium onion. We need the juice of 2 limes. To a skillet over medium heat, we're going to add about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Once the oil's hot, we're going to add 1 pound of ground beef. And our onion that we diced up. Now we're going to cook this until our beef is done. Now that the ground beef and onions are done, we're going to add in 1 can of refried beans. Two tablespoons of taco seasoning. A half a cup of chopped cilantro, and 2 tablespoons of lime juice. Now that it's all mixed up, we can cut off the heat and we can set it aside. Now to a bowl, we're going to add in 1 can cream of mushroom soup, and 1 cup of sour cream. Now we're going to mix that together. To a 9x13 pan, we're going to add about half a cup of sour cream and mushroom mixture to the bottom of the pan. This recipe calls for taking 10 flour tortillas and cutting in half. It don't say what size. I found 12-inch. This recipe says to take 6 of the half the tortillas and line the bottom. I don't think I'm gonna need 6. I'm going to do it in 4. I covered the bottom. We're going to take about 1.5 cups of the beef and refried beans. Layer it or spread it in. We're going to take 1 cup of cheese. I'm using queso cheese. You can use sharp cheddar, Mexican blend, whatever. We're going to take some cheese and sprinkle it on top of the beans. You know, we just repeat 3 more times. We layer our tortillas. And now we're going to bake at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, it's time to eat. Now it's time to dig in. Bon appetit. It's not bad. Could be a lot better. Cost us just under $20 and it will feed 8 people. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.